is the first day of my solo time in Korea. I live alone in New York and I love living alone and I love having alone time, but I've never traveled by myself before because I feel like I'm just not as motivated to do things when I'm by myself. I just want to chill, stay in. That's fine when you're in your city, but I feel like if you're chilling too much, you're kind of wasting your vacation, right? So I still have a little less than 2 weeks here in Korea, so I need to figure out what I want to do. That being said, I have booked an appointment with an artist. I've been wanting to get a writing tattoo on my upper chest / collarbone area because I think that kind of tattoo looks really good on guys. About to head to my tattoo appointment. I'm just taking it easy today with my sweats, as you can see, and my dunks, but not when I look like I'm about to go to bed. So I'm wearing my new leather jacket that I got here and this alien sling bag. Let's go. I just got my coffee. There's quite a lot of people out right now on the streets. Maybe it's lunchtime, I don't know.
We work like this box, but I can work, make some empty space on here, like this one. Just
Yeah, just make
is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one is smallest. It's too
Yeah,
small,
that's
right?
too small. Yeah. Maybe I need to take off. and see.
Yeah. Every artist have different aftercare,
Yeah.
so you can pick your way.
But it's my first time hearing like no alcohol for 2 weeks.
Oh, really?
I just finished my tattoo session. It like pretty much didn't hurt at all, which is not what I expected. So I think now I'm just gonna explore Hongdae a little more because I'm already here. And I feel like there's still a lot of shops here that I haven't looked at. So I can't get enough of these fall colors. As you can see earlier, my tattoo says, "Here's to the ones who dream." And that is from La La Land, and it's from the song in the movie called Audition. So it was when Emma Stone's character auditions for a role and she sings that song.
Here's to the ones who dream.
That line really resonated with me because I have a lot of respect for those that pursue their dreams no matter how hard it is. Sometimes I wish I had done that. I really wanted to do theater back in the day. The line not only applies to like job, I think it also applies to life in general, like whether it be love or just living life to the fullest. So yeah, that's why I wanted to get that tattoo. These denim looking bags are cute. I've been seeing these platform Converse everywhere. And I thought it'd be fun to try them on, but I don't know. This is getting dangerous. Alright, I think I'm done with shopping for the night. I really should be saying I'm done with shopping for the trip, but I still have 2 weeks here, so you know, that's not realistic. Hey guys, it's currently almost 12. I'm waiting for my car to go to Dongdaemun to pick up my long coat. I got it. Oh my god. I literally took a car there, got my coat, and then took a car back. It was the fastest, quickest outing ever. Yeah, I'm too tired to like actually shop there. There's just too much going on there. And I really wanna just come back to my hotel earlier tonight, so. Yes, yes. It's so long. I love it. Good morning. I just got ready. I'm gonna start my day today by walking around the neighborhood near my hotel called ikseondong. It's pretty much a small block with traditional Korean houses that are turned into cafes and stores. You can see it from my room. You see those? That's pretty much, yeah, that's like the area. I figured I'll go there today because I'm checking out of the hotel tomorrow to move to an Airbnb in a different neighborhood, so makes sense to just walk there today. Today I'm going all denim pretty much. This denim jacket I got in Hongdae, and also these really wide pants that I got in Hongdae with my dunks. And then got my bag. This bag is like perfect for the outfit today. White and blue. Yeah, I feel like everything comes together really nicely. But yeah, let's go. This is pretty. The store has cool jewelry. So I found this Italian place in this neighborhood. I've been craving pasta today, so it has like a very rustic, vintage vibe, very unique, and I'm excited for their food. What's their menu? I got more accessories. Hey guys, I just got back from exploring ikseondong. Oh my god, it's such a cute neighborhood. Like the traditional Korean houses are so cute, and the interior of every store was just very unique and had their own personality. So I got a bunch of jewelry. So I just wanted to do like a quick accessory haul because I'm really excited to wear these. That was one of my priorities coming to Asia. Like I wanted to stack up on my accessories. So let's start with this ring. I'm already wearing this ring. It's just like it's like a very simple ring, but I really like this detail here. It looks like it's one slim line wrapping around your finger, and I like that. And then I found this ring, which is super, I don't know, it's just really pretty. It reminds me of the rings in Lord of the Rings in the first movie when they were talking about like the rings that were given to the humans and stuff. It goes really well with the rings that I already have. A great addition to this hand. And then last but not least, I got this one. This one is not as shiny, but it's very detailed. And you know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of the Elder Wand in Harry Potter, except it's like wrapped around like into a ring form, right? Rings. And then I got this necklace because I just thought it was really pretty. I really like really slim necklaces. I think they look really good on guys, especially contrasting, you know, the collarbone. And then I got this bracelet. This is what it looks like on my arm. Isn't that pretty? And then lastly, I got another necklace that's also a stone. It's like a really nice purple color. See? Yeah, the stone is so pretty. Anyways, that was my quick haul. But yeah, I'm gonna take a break in my room now and then I'll figure out what I'm gonna do next. Alright, it's been an hour. I've decided today is just gonna be a Korean traditional house touring day. I just looked up the map and apparently the famous Bukchon Hanok village is like an 18-minute walk away. I looked at the weather app and sun is gonna set in like 20 minutes. So I think I'm just gonna get there around golden hour and just check it out. So yeah, I lied. It's not golden hour. It's way past golden hour. It's really empty here right now. But no matter. We're just looking around, just chilling. And this area is actually a residential area, so it's really quiet. So I'm getting samgyetang again. This is my third time this trip, but I just really like it. I got it with black chicken this time. It looks really good. It came with this ginseng liquor. Oh my god. Good morning. I'm checking out of my hotel room today and moving to my Airbnb. It's near a station called Yaksu. I think it's more of a local neighborhood. But before we go check into my Airbnb, I wanted to go to a tteokbokki restaurant in the area. That restaurant was featured in True Beauty. Like the characters in True Beauty would go there a lot. So I wanted to go check it out. That was really good, and that was perfect for this weather. It's pretty gloomy here in Seoul today, and it got colder, so I'm wearing my coat. There's another place around here that's also featured in True Beauty. It's the comic store that Jugyung and Suho would go to a lot. So I'm gonna stop by. I guess this is my little K-drama tour. I just got to my Airbnb. Ooh. That's cute. Ooh, there's a washer. Okay. It's very cozy and it smells nice. It's a gloomy day, but you can tell that it'll be like really nice when the day is sunny. And I have a view of the Seoul Tower. What is this? Bathroom. Very clean. Oh my god, so cute. Oh my god. Look at this little room. Oh! Oh my god, the floor couch. Oh my god. It has such good lighting too. Oh my god, this walk-in closet. Dang, I can like hang all of my clothes up. I love how there's so much lighting everywhere. Oh, I love all these big windows. Found my Dyson. Just makes me feel like I don't want to leave. Look at all those fall colors out there. Oh, so pretty. Oh my god, I'm gonna be so happy here in the next week. You guys, I've been chilling here for like the past half hour, getting settled and just trying to plan tomorrow and everything. I was thinking what to do for tonight. I was thinking about going to Namsan and the Seoul Tower, but since it's a gloomy day, I feel like the view is not going to be as good, so today might not be the best day. I might just go out and grab some food and just actually stay in tonight. I might just edit my videos in this cute room. Why not? And maybe get some beer, get some wine, and just chillax. I don't know, that sounds really good. Here it is. Hey guys, I'm back home. Got my chicken. So this is a lot. It looks like this is the original, and then this is the spicy. And then part of the signature set, it came with these honey chicken bites. And then of course, you can't have Korean fried chicken without the radish. So I want to start with the original, yeah, soy garlic. Oh. Why is chicken so good? Now I want to try the spicy. The spicy is obviously not as crunchy because it's more saucy, but the sauce is really good. Okay, now I want to try this honey chicken bite. Ooh. Doesn't smell like anything. That crunch. Oh my god. The honey.